how to change your region or your country in your Valorant account. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for Valorant support, and then click on the first link from Riot Games. Then it should take you to this page right here, and make sure to sign in with your Valorant account or Riot Games account. And then you want to scroll down and click on change region of residence, and then scroll down and click on this check button right here to check if your current region of residence is not matching the one on your account, maybe because you moved or it's probably set incorrectly. So if you click on the check button, it should check and tell you. And as you can see right here, it tells me my region is correct, but for some reason, if you have a mismatched region, you can use this page right here to basically update or change the account region. But for some reason, if you still can't do it from here, here's another way to do it. Scroll all the way to the top and then click on submit a ticket. And then on the request type, you want to select account management data requests or deletion. And it should bring up this page right here where you will need to fill out all these informations. So for example, the platform PC, the subject is going to be, so for the subject, you want to use update my region of residence, or updating my region of residence. And then for the inquiry, you want to select account management. And then please select your inquiry right here. You will need to set it to need help changing region of residence / country assigned to account. Make sure to select that one, and it will basically bring up the check button again so you can manually check it. But we did that earlier. And then for the description, you can basically say something like this: hello, I accidentally selected the wrong region when signing up for a Valorant account, and I need help changing my account region to whatever region you want. And then you can simply press the submit button right here. And once you submit this request, you should receive a reply within 1 to 2 business days. And they should basically guide you through the requirements and the stuff you need to provide in order to proceed and update your account region. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.